Hi, I'm Michael Cohn from Advanced Tubular Technologies. I'm the developer of VTube-LASER software that uses measuring devices like the FARO SCANARM in order to measure and qualify tube shapes, and then to correct tube bending machines with that measurement. We've just released version 2.9.17 of VTube-LASER. My goal for this video is to give you a quick tour of the major changes in this version of VTube-LASER. So let's get started. The first major change to VTube-LASER is point cloud scanning. For the past several months, I've been experimenting with point cloud scanning in VTube-LASER. When I shared this prototype development with customers, I was surprised at the enthusiasm for the idea. So, in this version, I added the ability to scan point clouds into what I call point cloud buckets. With point cloud buckets, you can scan points into separate color-coded buckets that can be turned on and off on the display. Second, you can measure linear distances between any 2 points in the point cloud on the screen. Third, you can automatically send the point cloud data to SOLIDWORKS for conversion to a mesh and then a surface for further design work. The second major change in VTube-LASER is the new Auto Build Parametrics feature in step mode. Auto Build Parametrics makes calculating centerline XYZ data and bender data from imported solid models at least 5 times faster than the legacy collection process. The only requirement for Auto Build Parametrics is that the part model be free from any non-tube shaped components, and that the model be built using the standard segmented method with separate straights and bend sections. If your tube model includes an assembly of components, then you can either delete the components before using Auto Build Parametrics, or you can still choose to use the legacy collection process that has always been part of VTube. The third major change in VTube-LASER is the new Measure Guide viewport window that displays a full tube model with color bands during measuring. The goal of the new feature is to show the user what part of the tube is supposed to be scanned next. The window can be switched on and off with the automatic display of master switch in the Measure Setup Other menu. VTube-LASER allows you to position and resize the window and even allows you to make the window transparent. The window is designed to be multi-screen compatible, so you can drag this window to other screens, and VTube-LASER will remember this position and size in the future for each measuring project. Change 4 in VTube-LASER is the new capability to display an inspection report immediately after an alignment of the measured tube to the master tube. We modified the after measure alignment window to allow you to select the report template to display, and a switch that allows you to turn the feature on or off. This allows you to move instantly to any qualification report that you design and choose. Change 5 in VTube-LASER is the new capability to store and reuse custom cylinder fit tolerances in our System Options menu. This is useful for projects that require higher cylinder fit tolerances like armor guard, flex pipe, or highly deformed exhaust pipes. So those are the major new features in VTube-LASER version 2.9.17. If you have any questions about any of those features or any other feature in VTube-LASER, please feel free to email me at michael.cohn@advancedtubular.com. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.